Hey guys, I am Drew from Makerbot. We're here at ISTE 2017 announcing some new things for education that we're really excited about. So first thing I'm going to talk about is the new Makerbot Educator's Guidebook. This is a follow-up on Makerbot in the Classroom, which is a book that we released about two and a half years ago. We learned a lot from the first edition, the most important of which is that educators wanted to hear from other educators. So for the Makerbot Educator's Guidebook, hence the name, we've worked with our Makerbot educators to create all of the content in here. So all of the 9 projects that are in this book were written by teachers all across the country, K through 12, all STEAM subjects. What you see here are all different projects from the book. So starting in like kindergarten level over here, this one is creating musical shapes using the Morphe app. So students learn about creating basic shapes and learn about print pausing, adding some material into the prints as they go, and finally creating musical shaker instruments. So starting with the super basics, just getting them introduced to the technology. Moving on, over here we have sort of a middle school engineering project where students take a Sphero, put this down. Students are given a Sphero. They got to measure the Sphero, and their goal is to design a vehicle that fits on top of the Sphero. So they got to measure it, make sure they get the tolerance right so the Sphero can still rotate. And they have to create a vehicle that attaches to the Sphero, takes a cup, and brings around material from point A to point B without spilling it. So good engineering challenge, probably middle school level. And then finally, let's go over to sort of like our high school level project. And again, these are just samples of the 9 that are going to be in there. This is our Archimedes screw project. So this is using a program called Onshape, which is a bit more advanced, similar to sort of what engineers use, SolidWorks, Inventor. Onshape has a free version that's really great for education. Students are going to be given this model and edit some of the parameters to change the impact or to change the design, try to design a more efficient screw than the one that they are given by their teacher. All of these are printed on our new printers, Makerbot Replicator Plus and the Makerbot Replicator Mini Plus, which we announced last September. And the projects that are pulled from the book are all also in Thingiverse Education, which is freely open to everybody. The other thing that we're announcing that we're really excited about is Chromebook integration. So we are introducing My Makerbot, which is a new feature. You go on to makerbot.com, you can see all of your active printers, and you can actually upload STL files and print directly to your printers from there. So instead of PC, Mac only, you can now go from Chromebook directly to your printer, which is really exciting. Also enables things like what we're also announcing, which is direct Tinkercad integration. So going from Tinkercad straight to your printer without having to navigate out to Makerbot Print. For Chromebook users, that's going to be hopefully very impactful. Remove one step of the process for teachers. And that's what we got.